Today is Thursday. Look, we about to go under the train. You see the train? About to go under this train. Y'all probably know this spot, but yeah, we in Camden. On Thursday, we come through Camden, and we come with our fresh boxes. And the thing about Camden, it's like a lot of hoods, you know, it's the same thing when we were in Philadelphia. You got certain sections, you know what I mean, that they call food deserts. I call them food deserts because access to like food is limited. It's non-existent in certain instances. And that's really cap though, like as far as it being a food desert, because there is food that's available in the hood, and in these so-called food deserts, there's food that you can get. It's just that the food it's not healthy, it's not good for you. A lot of fast food, a lot of bodega food, corner store food, and stuff that really isn't, it's not gonna have you right if you eat it over and over every day. But I mean, if that's all you got access to, then that's what you're gonna eat. But we know that you gotta balance that out with some vegetables, some fruit, some fresh produce. So that's what we do with the fresh box. You feel me? We come and we get the fresh food. You feel me? The fresh produce that we need to be eating to the spots that, they ain't got no grocery stores around here. So it's important. It's important that we pop out. It's important that we make this food that we do at Free Haven Farms accessible. So what we did, I'm gonna tell you, over the last couple of seasons, is we partnered. You know what I'm saying? We partnered with the Food Bank of South Jersey, and it's been a great partnership. And what they're doing is they're attacking this situation head on in terms of making food accessible to people that don't have access to food. All right, they have programs. You could sign up for them. You could jump in the program and come at one of these distribution centers and get access to some food. They're able to get the food together and feed people that really, really need it. I'm talking about really need it. Like if they don't get the fresh box, they might be, they be struggling. So this season, we've been able to give them watermelons, seeded watermelons, yellow ones, red ones, cantaloupe. They got some of that today. It's being able to understand what the need is and address it, and be solution driven. So this has been a great partnership. I'm about to show y'all how we do it. In this neighborhood here, like, everyone speaks Spanish. So, even though we don't necessarily all the way be able to communicate with words sometimes, trust me, we communicate. They show their love, they show their appreciation. And yeah, man, for me, there's no better feeling than being able to serve people. You know what I mean? I lost a close friend, man, a big sister yesterday, Nyambi. I'm thinking about her right now. And she was doing this work up to her final day, serving people, bringing the food, doing the work. So anyway, we out here, yo. It's I like that. That's the one. Yeah, this is cantaloupe. I got some watermelons today. We got some corn in here. We got some kale in here. Some peppers, chilies. Everything is good. Thank you, mommy. Appreciate you. There you go. Thank you. So yeah, every Thursday, every week we out here doing this. You see the line. Thank you. Everyone pitches in and helps out, help me unload, I appreciate, thank you. I appreciate the help. Every time we got a site where we got help, people that come through and help us, it means a lot. So we appreciate that. But you see these joints right here, this is the QR code. People scan that right there. They bring them to a recipe. We put the recipes up every week about stuff that's in the fresh box. So let's try and make it right. That's how we doing it though. Like Crystal. Thanks, man. Man, you good? Y'all been liking the boxes?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
That zucchini squash, I made a pasta dish.
Did you?
I cut them zucchini and squash up.
Yeah.
What can I do with the egg?
The eggplant? Oh, same thing. I cut it up and I saute it in like I usually use coconut oil or olive oil.
And just eat it plain like that.
Saute it.
Put it. I've been throwing it out because
don't throw it up. Put it in the frying pan with the oil and salt and pepper. Yeah, thin.
Thin.
You know, salt and pepper until it turn a little bit brown.
Right.
That's it right there, man. You gonna like that, yeah.
But what could I do with them? You gave me some beets.
The beets?
Yeah.
So the beets, I do a couple things. I juice the beets. You know, so I got a little juicing machine. I put the whole beet in the juicing machine.
You drink it.
Yeah.
But have you ever cooked it?
Yeah, I roast them. So I slice them up, same thing. I put them on a pan. No.
Okay.
No, I don't peel it.
I
just slice it up. I put it on the pan. Same thing. I season it a little bit and I roast it in the oven.
Okay.
I roast it, and then you can put it right there, man.
I wanted to eat them, but they got bad before I got to them.
If you put them right in the
parsley, I cut up.
Yeah.
And I added in my pasta.
Yeah.
Stuff like that.
Yeah, you be chefing it. You be chefing it up. Yeah. Nah, this week you got some good stuff. You got some kale. Squash, zucchini, eggplant. I got cantaloupe in there.
Cantaloupe in there,
you know what I mean? Some of them got watermelons.
Sometimes I eat that for breakfast.
Yeah, that's it. That's the best thing for breakfast.
When I go home, I cut up and prepare so it can last long. And then I put it in the container and put it in the refrigerator.
You know. Yeah. They call breakfast. They say you break in your fast.
Right.
And breakfast. Right. Because when you sleeping, you're fasting.
Right.
So you might sleep for 8 hours, you're fasting for 8 hours. And when you wake up, you break your fast, you have breakfast. And the best thing to break your fast is fruit.
Okay, good.
There it is.
That's all right. Thanks, Bob.
Yeah, man. All day. All right, stay up. Yeah, man, that's what we doing, yo. We doing the work. So, many are called, few are chosen. Y'all stay rooted, keep growing. Bless.